channel. Today I'm going to do a reset day. So I plan to do as many things as I can during today, which is basically my plan every day anyway. But anyway, I feel like I need a reset because it's January, so it's now the time that you feel very much like you really need to get things done and tackle things that you maybe should have been tackling but have not tackled yet. So today I have a physical therapy appointment in like maybe 2 hours or something from now. So I'm just getting everything organized. So right now I'm like writing on my planner, I'm having my coffee, and my baby's napping right now, so I have a little bit of time to myself, which is always nice. And we just dropped off my toddler at school just earlier, and so now is my time to like get things organized and get things ready before like jumping into the day. So I'm just going to write down all of my to-dos, sip on my coffee, look at my emails, check if there's anything that needs to be answered or anything like that, and then just get started and document this whole day. Realized that I have this planner from last year, 2024, but I actually really need to buy a new planner for 2025, and I'm thinking if I should just go with this one again because this one was pretty good, or if I want to like look for a new type of planner. I'm not really sure because I really like this one because the paper is so nice. Like, it's a big thing for me. I like that the paper writes really nicely, and I have enough space for all of my to-dos, and there's like a calendar and stuff like that. And I do both digital and physical planning, which might be a little bit confusing to some people, but it works for me. So I think I'm gonna go look at planners online and see what's there. Otherwise, if I don't find anything else, I'll just stick to this one again. Just received our Factor Meals delivery, and so I just need to put this all in the fridge before they go bad. It's an entire week's worth of meals for me and my husband, so this doesn't count for our toddler's meals, but it does help for us to be able to save a little bit of time in the kitchen. And we actually don't really do this that often. It's just from time to time that we order something like this, and most of the time we actually just make the meals ourselves. And sometimes we also just do like combination of ordering these and then also making some meals ourselves. That's just what we've been doing since my postpartum helper is already finished. So that's only after 3 months postpartum, then they don't come anymore. So we were relying on her for most of our meals before, and now she's gone, so we've resorted to ordering some of the meals from companies like this to make our lives a little bit easier and to make things go a little bit faster. So we have this one, and then we also have another one, a local one, that we're also ordering from. And then other weeks we just do everything ourselves. So it's really depending on the week and depending on what we have going on and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm just gonna put these in the fridge so that they don't go bad, and continue with my work before baby wakes up, because she needs to eat in like 20 minutes. So gotta get cracking.
And the driver flipped me up like that was my fault. Today it may not be my day, but alright.
Also, who else doesn't have tons of laundry when you're parents? I mean, we literally do laundry like multiple times a week. We used to do laundry like once a week, and that's it when we weren't parents, and now it's just constant. Like, I don't even know where half of this is from. Why do we always have laundry? It's never ending.
Go ahead, roll up sleeves, don't hesitate. Take a stand, cause got a feeling I'ma get it right this time. Then here goes another start, and as usual, right here, all I got. Almost there, but I would've touched me in bed like we're like friends forever. Amongst my own hashtag downfall, jeopardizing waiting on this cow shirt. Today may not be the day, it's alright. Alright, calling nature forces up in sci-fi. Got my fingers crossed to find a perfect rhyme line. Today may not be the day, it's alright. Oh, every day, same old thing, yeah, go ahead. Roll up sleeves, don't hesitate. Take a stand, cause got a feeling I'ma get it right this time. Then here goes another start, and as usual, like you're all I got. Almost there, but I would've touched me in bed like we're like friends forever.
Back now from picking up my daughter from school, and baby is sleeping in the carrier. So now I am doing some little chores here and there before it's time for dinner. And so I did a quick bathroom tidy, and I'm preparing our dinner as well. And my toddler is playing very nicely by herself, which is something that I'm trying to encourage, something I've been trying to encourage with her for the past few months, because before she really relied on us to play with her all the time, and we enjoyed playing with her, but like especially when you have a second one. It's not that easy anymore to, you know, always be there to play when you have a lot of other things to do, obviously. And it's apparently very good for their development as well to have some independent play. And so we've been encouraging that with her as well. And so I'm so shocked at how good she is right now, just playing by herself, and I'm really proud of her. So yeah, I'm just letting her play by herself. There's playing with some Montessori stuff, I think, while I'm preparing dinner. So we'll see what else I get up to later, but I'm just preparing dinner now and doing some quick tidies, and then soon we're gonna have dinner, and then probably my husband's gonna come home as well.